Hi everyone, this is Anamika and today's my presentation topic is impact of the technology on human being. As we all know that if anything has a good impact then it also comes bad impact automatically. So technology has also both types of the impact, good and bad. So now I'm trying to both the type of impact. First of all, I'm talking about the good impact of the technology on human being. So let's start. As we all know that a human being can't imagine their single day of his life without a technology because we all are surrounding around the technical things. You can take an example of your own house. You are always surrounding technical things like refrigerator, washing machine, iron, mobile phones, etc. But now I'm trying to connect this topic with the current scenario, what is going on and what we are facing nowadays and what is the role of the technology in it. I will explain it with some examples. So nowadays we all know that we are facing a lockdown. Because of the lockdown we are not able to go anywhere and we can't meet anyone and we can't do more of the things that we do on the daily basis. So here technology is playing a great role. I'm giving you one example, that is, as we all know that peoples and the students are not able to go anywhere, they are at their home. So most of the peoples are doing their job by staying at home. They are doing a very proper way, they are using technology for it, and our student also using technology for their study because nowadays they are not able to go school, colleges or coaching centers. So their teachers are helping them very much because they are teaching them with the help of the technologies. They gives them the lectures on the YouTube, Zoom app or the WhatsApp video conferencing call. So they are also using their time. So it is the role of the technology in nowadays. And the other example, you can see that in the red zone areas where people are not allowed to take a one step off from their house towards the outside. So in this situation there is a big problem arises, is that how can they arrange the essential things for the living of a human being. So now here technology is also playing a good role. Like if you want anything like food, groceries and any essential things that we use in the daily uses, you can order it online and the delivery boy comes at your home and they deliver it in your home. So there is no need to go outside. And there is also a question arises here, if the people doesn't go from their house to outside, then how can they pay the money to the delivery boy? So there is no need here to go bank or ATM centers too. With the withdrawal of the money, you can pay them easily with the help of the technology. You can pay them by using any app like Bhim app, PhonePe or other apps. So here is also a technology playing a great role. And the other example is that you can see that there is a very difficult task for a human being to stay at home more than 2 months. But in our country we are living at home past 2 months because of the COVID-19 virus. So we didn't meet anyone in this period of the time, but we are staying at home with the help of the technologies, because when we feel boring then we use technology as an entertainment, and if we want to talk anyone then we can talk with the use of the mobile phone. And there are so many people who are doing creativity nowadays because they have enough free time, so they are learning dancing from the YouTube, and somebody is making food in their own house, they wants to learn it because but they didn't have the time because of the daily routines. So it is also playing a great role here. So this is the good impact of the technology on human being. Now I'm trying to explain the bad impact of the technology in human being. As I have said already that everyone is using technology nowadays too much. So it may affect your health, it affect your eyesight definitely, because if you use too much technology it will create a problem in your eyes. And the other thing, if you sit one place for a long time then it also can occur many problems in your body, like you can become lazy and and the obesity can also come in your body, and it may be the result of the diseases. So here is the bad impact of the technology. And the other bad impact is that most of the scientists are saying that the COVID-19 virus is not natural. It created in the lab. I don't know it is true or not. But if it is true, then you can see the very bad impact of the technology. Because nowadays, because of that virus, that is, if it is created, then it is created definitely with the help of the technology. Then because of it, human beings life at stock, and so many people are dies because of it. So I think that is the very bad impact of the technology on human being. That's all I want to say about the impacts of the technology on human being. Thank you guys for listening me.